Hi everyone, my pre-order from EB Games finally arrived, and for sure you already heard the news about the EB Games New Zealand closing down. Yeah, it's sad, but it's business. So this is my final One Piece TCG that I can order from EB Games New Zealand since they decided to close on January 31. Five pieces of double pack Poppy 13. Illustration Volume 6 includes promotional card of Trafalgar Law and Rocinante. This one is really good for, and this one as well, for Yellow Purple Rocinante. And we got another box. Let's see what's inside. So we got two more. Oh, it's damaged. I'm just gonna rip it up anyway. One booster box of Azure C7 OP14. We're gonna rip this up, so stay tuned. So the packaging is broken, which is not good, but it's alright. We're not gonna keep it sealed, so